Yes, hello everyone, welcome to an exam Phonetic video tutorial. Now for this episode guys, I'm going to show you how to diagnose this HP-15 F272W laptop power problem. So it is the WM. No, it is not powering up. Now basically guys, I've already plugged in the charger, so definitely it is plugged directly, or it is connected directly to the electricity. So if there is a problem where the battery is run down, and then of course it will get electricity. So presently I'm pressing the power button, not getting anything. So the first step, or the first thing, is to check the charger to see if the charger is getting any power. So I'm gonna test. So here we go guys, gonna test it. So let's check and see if we're getting, so as you can see guys, I don't know if right, so as you can see we're getting 19.6. so that simply means that the charger is actually working, because that would now be the voltage in terms of wattage for a charger, 19.6, 19.5. so most definitely the charger is working. So let's go again and turn around the power side. Now what I realized guys is that when I plug in the charger, so I'm gonna show you, don't know if you can, you're gonna be able to see it. I plug in the charger, as you can see there's a orange light there, so it should be steady or at least blinking once the charger is plugged into it. So it just come on once and that's it. Press the power button, it is not coming on. So most definitely guys, it is something wrong with the motherboard or the charging section of the motherboard there. So I need to open this laptop and check it out in detail. So most definitely I can say that it is the motherboard that something is actually wrong, because I would have checked the charger and definitely I'm getting the correct voltage from the charger. So once again guys, you diagnosing a HP laptop in terms of electrical problem. So you can also remove the battery and try to turn it on. So still not getting anything. So most definitely guys, it is the motherboard. So this laptop, I would say, has a motherboard problem. So once again guys, this is how you diagnose the laptop not coming up, laptop power or electricity problem. The first thing, as I said, you would actually check the charger. So thanks for viewing. Please remember to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Phonetic is out of here.